Welcome back everybody to our Promaster van build series. Today I'm going to share with you a video I shot on the installation of our rear window that we installed in our van. My van did not come with any windows, so I wanted to add a little natural light to the van, as well as for a safety feature, being able to look out the back when I'm driving it. So kind of a dual purpose, but really happy with the result. I hope you enjoyed the video. The van window that I bought came from a company called C.R. Lawrence. They are a distributor of glass products and some van accessories. So if you're in the market, probably a good place to check it out. The van kit itself came with a piece of tempered glass. It also came with a product called Power Bond, which is the urethane adhesive that you glue the window to the skin of the van. It also came with a bottle of primer that you use to prime the metal in order for the adhesives to stick properly. And then it also came with a vinyl trim ring that you use to place around the cut that you make on the van itself to provide some safety from the sharp edge. And it also gives us, a nice finished look. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to show you the next part of the video on how we installed it. Hope you enjoy it.